the race. Now the began the race. The machine against the foxes in the beginning. The whole looked like this. After about an hour, as the machine bit away more and more so from the whole top, it looking like this. Sometimes the foxes would get a little ground and the shrieking noise would grow fainter, and Mr. Fox would say, "We're going to make it. I'm sure we are." But then a few moments later, the machine would come back at them, and the churn of the mine showers would get louder and louder. Once the foxes alternately saw the sharp meter end of one of the shovels as it screamed up the earth just behind them. "Keep going, my darlings," panted Mr. Fox. "Don't give up. Keep going," the fat buggers shouted to Buns and Bean. "We'll get him on any moment now. Have you caught sight of him yet?" Bean cried back. "Not yet," shouted Buggers, "but I think you're close. I picked him up with my buggy," shouting Buns. "I caught him to pies." But by lunchtime, the machines will stare at it, and so will the poor foxes. The hair now looking like this. The farmers didn't stop for lunch. They were too keen to finish the job. "Hey there, Mr. Fox," yelled Buns, leaning out of his talker. "We're coming to get you now you've had your last chicken," yelled Buggers. "Yeah, you'll never come prowling around my farm again." A shout of men had taken hold of the three men. The tail Skinny Bean and Blowfish, Pottier, Buns were driving their machine like men, launching the motors and making the shovels spin at a terrific speed. The fat buggers was hopping about like a doves and shouting faster. By 5 o'clock in the afternoon, this is what had happening to people. The whole the machine had done was like the quarter of overcome. It was such an ordinary sight that crowds of people come showing out from the shoulding railings to have a look. They stood on the edge of the quarter and stared down at Buggers and Buns and Bean. "Hey there, Buggers, what's going on?" "We're after Fox. You must be mad." The people roared and shouted, but this only made the three farmers more false and more obstinate and more determined than ever not to give up until they had caught the fox.